You ready to hurry up? Masala since you are good one interview. This woman do already. That one is right.
The Great, His Excellency to State, Professor Sonny Guanle, Divisional Units of Military Outfits, Divisional Units of Military Outfits, is the Chief of Defense Staff, General Loki.
Council here present, Major General Esa. We also have,
but we're also appealing to the military to come back and let the people be dedicated and committed so that some of these issues, because part of it is to call on all of them, all the officers that headed Operation Self-Help. Let them come together and give you their experiences of Plateau. Let them give you tell you what they have done, what they preferred, what they have achieved, and which ones are left, and we are ready to do them. For the rest, if it's for the army, please let them do also their work. That is the only time that we can have peace in Nigeria. But once again, to thank you for all the efforts, and I'd already written to you when you lost your officers, including our good friend, the late Chief of Army Staff.
Of the peace effort in the Plateau. Just only recently, arising from the rising hope of return of peace in the Plateau, that authorized a minor readjustment of the structure of Operation Safe Haven to the intent that we have the General Officer Commanding being also the Commander of Operation Safe Haven to take charge. And unfortunately, within the period I authorized that we do that minor readjustment, the unfortunate coincidence of issues, of series of issues that have now attended to it, which are being misconstrued. And I'd like to assure you that the armed forces and our security agencies will do everything possible to bring about peace and security within the state to such a level that will enable the traditional law enforcement institutions, establishments, to now play their critical part.
TV man, I know. Anything that we do pass me.
Subscribe and like our videos for updates.